Hello, Mark from JETSURF here. Welcome to the new Race DFI Superlight, the lightest JETSURF board ever made. The Race DFI Superlight is the perfect board for both the average rider looking for something to get out on the weekends and carve, or those that are looking to take the ride to the next level and race on the MotoSurf World Cup. With our new waxing and polishing technology, we've created a unique matte carbon look to make this board stand out against all the rest. We've removed the clear coat and reduced the weight of this board, making it the lightest JETSURF that we've ever made. By removing the clear coat, we've refined the edge so we have a sharper cut into the water, and the titanium design built into the race board for the first time for better maneuverability. With the new FCS fin plate adjusters, it means the side fins on the board can be easily switched and maneuvered so that you can have different placements depending on the rider, whether they're goofy or regular, and whether they want to ride aggressively or more casually. And from FCS, we have a plethora of fins to choose from depending on your ability and your riding style. With the new handle length adjuster, the board can be shared between riders for those that are taller and those that are shorter with just a quick pull of the rope. With the new Easy Clean adapter at the back of the board to connect the garden hose, you can clean the board quickly and efficiently using fresh water after riding in the salt.